edition of Battle of the Boxes. This is where we're going to put the Boxycharm standard base box up against the Ipsy Glambag Plus. If this sounds like a video for you guys, make sure to stay tuned. But before we jump into it, if you guys are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as HotmessmommaMD, and here we embrace the hot mess. We run on pretty much nothing but caffeine, and it's a judgment-free zone where we just like to sit back, relax, and chat about all things makeup and keep the negativity off everywhere else but here. So hopefully you decide to subscribe, stick around, click that notification bell because your girl uploads pretty much every single day at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, and we'd love to have you as part of the family. Y'all, I also have a second channel, Hotmessmommabusiness, where I just finished up with Vlogmas. I'm going to go back on the keto train, talking a lot about keto, helping you guys on your ketogenic journey or low carb journey. So definitely check my description box down below for that if you guys are interested in learning more about keto and low carb. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and jump into this nice little battle. Okay, a little bit about each box. Now, let's start with Boxycharm. As you guys know, I do receive 2 standard base boxes with Boxycharm, and I do a dedicated video for the first one. Then I do a Boxycharm versus Boxycharm, and then whichever one is my favorite, then I bring it to the Ipsy. Now this is a $25 a month subscription where you are guaranteed at least $125 worth of products. These are full-size products. Let me go ahead and jump into this box. As always, there is a theme to Boxycharm, and this month's theme is Boxycharm Whimsy. There is a whole dedicated video comparing the two Boxycharms, so I'll try and be fancy and put it up here or at the end of the video, maybe in the description box. You never know with me. I'm a hot mess express train wreck where we like to have fun and be crazy, so. Okay, so the first item in here, and by the way, on the card is a little bit of information about the retail value and a little bit about each product. So this had me crazy excited, hence why I'm talking and showing you guys this box right here up against Ipsy, and it was all about this palette. This is by Storybook Cosmetics. This is the Fairy Tales Robin Hood palette. You get 6 beautiful shades in this palette, and I actually did do a try on with this palette and the other one in that video, so I know how these products or this particular product works, and I absolutely love the formula. You did get a little bit of kick up, but it wasn't bad by any means, and the looks that I've created with this palette, oh, beautiful, beautiful. Actually guys, if you are curious about this look, I'm doing the 80s meets 2020 type of video with the You Can Be Bubble Nebula Changeable Palette. It's probably not up yet, but it's coming, and definitely check it out. It's a fun little dedicated video creating this look right here. So anyways, this palette does retail for $35, and it says it's inspired by the classic tale. This Storybook mini palette was created exclusively for Boxycharm, and it's as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside, and I 100% agree with that. And the next item is by Aesthetica, I believe is how you say it. This retails for $12, and it says prolong the life of your favorite makeup brushes with the Pro Series cleanser and conditioner specially formulated to effectively remove the makeup and dirt on your brushes. Like I told you guys in that video, I was so excited to receive this because a lot of the times you have to use a cleanser and then a conditioner on your brush, and this is a 2-in-1, so love that. Like I said, retail value $12. Then we received the LMS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Y'all, this has a retail value of $79. This is a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines, wrinkles, leaving your skin with a luminous glow. These are full size. Like, all of these products are full size products, guys. So I was extremely excited about that, and look how cute. It's so bougie, like it is, and it's pink, so who doesn't love pink? So anyways, very excited to receive that. And then last but not least, and again, this was another one that was part of my try on where I did one cheek with this shade. This is by Ciate Linden. It's the Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, and this is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. That's why I'm showing it to you guys. And then of course right here you've got expiration, the ingredients in here. The first ingredient is mica, and I have to say this blush, absolutely gorgeous, so pretty. And the shade name, sorry guys, I don't think I told you guys, the shade name is on the back, and it is Halo. Very, very pretty. And the retail value of this box is $182. So moving on to Ipsy, this again is a $25 a month plus tax subscription, just like Boxycharm. Guarantees full-size products in here, and I want to say, and I could be wrong, but I think you're guaranteed at least $120 in your Ipsy. And again, don't quote me on that. I could be wrong because that's what I do. So like Boxycharm, you do receive a little card in here, and it says December 2019, shine on, sparkle, shimmer, and shine. Again, you get a little bit of information about each product in here, retail value as well. The first item, and again, in the dedicated video that I did unboxing the Glambag Plus box, I actually did a try on with the first item in here. This palette is by Ipsy, I believe is how you say it. This is what the packaging looks like. Same thing, tells you, you know, the name, palette, and then on the back, ingredients, expiration, all of that. When you open the box, you get this really nice bougie looking palette. I'll tell you, it does look bougie. It has a retail value of $60. You open it up, and it does have a mirror in here, and it's a good mirror. It's not like one of those fun size mirrors or whatever they're called, or fun house mirrors. Then you have a flap very similar to like a Natasha Denona palette. You flip it open and you got 4 singles in here, and of course it's like a Z palette or magnetic palette. You can add more of the singles in here. I will tell y'all, I thought that the shades were really pretty, curated cute to my profile and whatnot. They're awful. Absolutely awful. There's no reason this palette should be $60 whatsoever. Like, period. Horrible. The shades are very lackluster. Is that what it's called? Lackluster? I don't know. They're horrible. They don't show up very well. I thought that they would swatch so much better than they do, and a lot of you guys in that dedicated video told me you experienced the same issues with these shades. It's absolutely not worth $60, and I stand by that. It's not gotten better, guys. It was like definitely one of those things where you're like, oh, you tried, but no. So the next item we got is by Complex Culture, which you guys have told me that this is for Ipsy only, this brand, or by Ipsy. And this particular brush that I got was a bronzer brush. And I tried it, and it's nice and it's soft, but honestly, I don't know. I wasn't like, oh my god, I love it. But I'm really weird with my brushes. I'm one of those types of people that I love a routine, and I just get stuck in my ways. Like, my brush could literally be falling apart, and I'm like, nah, it still works. It's still gonna apply stuff. It's great. So I think once I break this in and get more comfortable with it, maybe I'll love it. Haley absolutely loves this. She said it applied really nice, but I think for me it's going to be more of like a powder brush, because when I apply my contour I use a very small brush. Look, it's so beaten up. It's a Morphe brush. It's 100 bajillion years old. It's very coarse, and I think maybe it's animal hair, I don't know, but I like to be like detailed right in here and hide those cheeks, you know. Don't think it's a bad brush, but it's definitely not one of my favorites. Retail value is $35, and this is supposed to be a recycled type of, is it called a ferrule, I think? Stop trying to be fancy, girl. Next I got by Evolve. This is a hydrating serum, and again, it has a retail value of $68. Now this I have not tried yet because I have a lot of skincare open, but I definitely will be coming back and telling you guys about it. Haley actually had like only half of hers full. So, and a lot of you guys said it definitely wasn't worth the price. Some of you guys have checked it out and you said, read the ingredients. The first one is aqua. So I'm like, oh, water, okay. Next, I did receive the Morphe lipstick in the shade Dominate. And if you guys know me, you know that I am like basic neutral queen of lipsticks. It has a retail value of $9. I'm not gonna lie, it is a very pretty color, but it's a scary color. It's great for the holidays, but I'm like, yeah, you obviously didn't look at my profile because nowhere on my profile does it say your girl likes her lips to just va-va-voom ever. And then last but not least, as far as products go, we got the Noya Organic Peppermint Lip Balm, which I tried this one and it wasn't overly pepperminty, but a lot of you guys told me that peppermint in lip balm is not good, which is a little alarming. I didn't know that. The other one is the vanilla scent. Both of these do have a retail value of $7.98 for the set of them. And then of course we did get our glam bag in here. Very similar to if you have the $12 bag, only this one unzips on the side, where the $12 bag unzips on top, and then the inside is navy blue. So anyways, the retail value of this bag is $179.98. Okay guys, so if we were just going off of these two palettes, hands down, Storybook Cosmetics, the Robin Hood palette, that would win. This palette was a joke, 100%. Y'all, it was not even worth like 10 bucks. No lie. There was nothing fantabulous about it at all. So even though we're not just comparing the palettes, we're going to talk about everything. Overall, giving it to Boxycharm 100%. I loved everything in here. I thought everything performed well. The products that I've used, and again, I'm not going off of the retail value of which box cost more or anything like that out of all the products. I'm going strictly off what I love, what I use, everything, and I'm giving it to Boxycharm for December. I think that no matter what Boxycharm box that you picked up for December 2019, they killed it, hands down, all around. It was amazing. So yeah, Ipsy, you're gonna have to step it up. You just really need to, because there was nothing in here that like knocked my socks off. That I got overly excited about. So anyways guys, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, that's fine. Bye. I don't know. Anyways guys, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Follow me over on my second channel. Love to have you as part of the family over there. If you guys are interested in picking up either one of these boxes, whether it be the Ipsy or the Boxycharm, I'll have a referral link down below just to keep it 100% real with you guys. The Boxycharm link is an affiliate link, so that will earn me a commission. So thank you in advance if you do decide to sign up with Boxycharm. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!